Hello everyone, welcome to Venkarna English Guru. Friends, are you seriously preparing for Telangana Gurukula TGT PGT English examinations? Friends, are you preparing for AP TET 2022? Are you seriously preparing for AP School Assistant English or TGT English or PGT English? Seriously? Friends, if yes, this video is for you. Friends, do you want to know how a drama, how a play is read as a part of your syllabus of School Assistant English or TGT English or PGT English? Do you want to improve your score as part of your TET, as part of your DSC or Gurukula examinations by getting good score in place? And do you want to improve number of strategies of reading a play? Because as a part of your syllabus, you are required to read Macbeth, Julius Caesar, and Murder in the Cathedral, St. John, and you are required to read different plays like Dear Departed, Never Never Nest, and Mother's Day, and Refund, like different specific dramas are to be read for your examination. So, how these dramas are to be read? And do you really want to be a government teacher and government School Assistant English or TGT English or PGT English? So, and because government they are going to conduct, we shortly we are going to have notifications in 2022, definitely in 2 states. If you really want to be a government teacher and if you really want to know various techniques and strategies of reading plays for this examination, this video is for you. So friends, techniques of reading a play or a drama. So if you, when you are reading and different plays like St. John or Murder in the Cathedral or Dear Departed or Never Never Nest or Refund, you need to focus on these components. Who is the playwright? Julius Caesar, Shakespeare. You should know some basic points about Shakespeare and Shakespeare married, Shakespeare parents, Shakespeare pen names, Shakespeare other names, Shakespeare's classmates and Shakespeare's children's name. Next, and what is the first play of Shakespeare, last play of Shakespeare, and popular tragedies, popular comedies, like some basic information that you need to have. Next, what is the type of play is it? Next, is it a comedy? What kind of comedy? Is it a tragedy? What kind of tragedy is it? If it is a tragic comedy, you need to know. Historical play, what kind of play is it? What kind of style? In which style was it actually composed? What is the subtitle? Does it have any subtitle? And for example, Macbeth, a Scottish play, Hamlet and the Prince of Denmark, like that. And do you find any subtitle to the drama? And if there are any subtitle, learn. Next, published in, when was the particular drama published in? Next, tone, for example, St. John 1919, Murder in the Cathedral 1935, like that you should know. And Julius Caesar 1599, like that. Number of acts, how many acts are there, you should know when you are writing the examination. Number of scenes and number of important scenes and popular scenes, very important scenes of the particular play. And does the play have any background or any source for writing? For example, Julius Caesar, Plutarch's Lives, that is the basis for writing. So like that, does the play have any source? And what is the broad setting of the play? Next, where the title is taken from. So these components are to be focused when you are seriously preparing for this examination. Apart from, next you should know what is the beginning line, because several times in the history of DSC, TET examination, these were asked. Based on the history from 2004 to 2018 and 2004 DSC, 2006 DSC, 2008 DSC, 2012 DSC, 2014 DSC, 2017 Telangana DSC, 2018 AP DSC, 2017 and 18 and TET examinations. Based on all that, I am giving you all this information. So you should know beginning line, ending line, important lines of the particular play. Next, do you find any popular quotations? Okay, you should read and the play is dedicated to. Next, very important thing is the characters and who is the protagonist, who is the antagonist. Next, who are the major characters, who are the minor characters, all that you need to have a list. Next, act by summary. Next, what is the main theme of the particular play? And you should be able to write in 8 to 10 lines the short summary of Macbeth, short summary of Hamlet, short summary of Tempest, short summary of Murder in the Cathedral or St. John. So you need to go all that. Next, apart from, you should also focus on, and do you find any bits, for example, when you're reading Dear Departed or Never Never Nest or Refund or Mother's Day, you need to focus on these components. Like, and do you find any important words with syllables and their stress? Vocabulary, do you find any important and synonyms and antonyms and one word substitutions? You should look for these only to the place that were written after and in 20th century, not before 20th century. So you should not look for only if the play is short, you can focus on these aspects. Latest plays which were written in 1900, plays like Never Never Nest, Dear Departed or Refund or Mother's Day. So these types of small plays, you can go for synonyms, antonyms, one word substitutions, phrasal verbs, spellings, idiomatic expressions. So these aspects are to be focused when you're reading for a play, when you really want to have complete score, if you really want to improve your score as part of this drama. And for more videos, subscribe to Venkana English Guru for more videos. Like our video, share our videos to your friends and classmates, and become a part of our Telegram and WhatsApp group channels by sending a message. Thank you friends for watching.